Hey guys, my name is Belle Perez and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out some bugs. Just kidding. Okay guys, here I have chocolate dipped insects which I'm going to be eating. I cannot wait, like they're going to be so delicious. Next, I'm going to have me this desert scorpion. Let me show you guys really close. Focus it. This is a scorpion and I cannot wait to eat it. Ugh. And then last of all, I cannot wait to eat these ant wafers. They're so delish. Chocolate's my favorite. Like, me and chocolate are like this, sis. Alright, so what do you want me to eat first? I can't decide. Do I want a scorpion? No, I'll start easy. I'm gonna start with the chocolate dipped. Wait, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna begin with the chocolate dipped insects. They look so delicious, so I figure I will try these first. Okay guys, I'm gonna try one of each. They just look so delicious, so let me open this up. Grab one out. Hold on. That's gotta be like a worm or something. So here goes nothing. Here goes. Just, I love the chocolate outer coating. It tastes so delicious. Yummy. Alright, ready? Let's do this, guys. Let me just, when I chew it around, it's just so tasty. Let me just swallow this down. It tastes delicious.
Wow.
Very proteiny. Okay, now I'm gonna try the white one because I cannot wait.
Yeah, I love white chocolate.
I love white chocolate. White chocolate is my favorite. My favorite. So let's go. This looks like a worm. You would. This looks like a delicious worm. Just put it all in my mouth. What does it taste like? Tastes great, guys. I feel like I'm getting so nutritious right now. Like, it's like, girl, I could eat these all day long. But we're gonna move on because we got other bugs to eat. Okay, next we're gonna eat these ant wafers. Okay, and they're in white chocolate, so I cannot wait to pop these babies open. Okay. Again, what are the nutritional facts? 109.6 calories. 0 grams of carbs. Good. I'm gonna stay real skinny and stuff. Like how they look. As you guys can see, I'm pretty sure that's, hold on. Pretty sure that's a bug.
Come in my hot Cheetos hands.
Don't mind my hot Cheeto hands, guys. I was like munching. But anyway, I'm pretty sure if you guys can see that it looks like an ant right there. Okay, let's do this. Don't lick it. Delicious.
Wow.
Delicious. Like, those taste amazing. My babe. Alright, moving on to the last one. So this is the scorpion and let's do this. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how this looks like. So this is how the scorpion looks. So I'm gonna open it. And let me just slide this thing out and show you guys. Put your hand up more. Yeah, slide it on. Let me see.
I'm gonna eat the tail first and I'm gonna eat the body, okay?
So this is what it looks like. Up close.
Is that really a scorpion?
Hold on. Chocolate covered and I guess there's a scorpion in there. Feels a little nutty. Like it tastes a little nutty.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, try it. Look at the camera.
Oh my god.
delicious, guys. So scrumdiddly
So, like,
delicious. Alright guys, I did it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Up. Give me a thumbs up. Alright? Alright, because I just ate a lot of bugs for you guys. And I didn't have to, but I ate them. So if you want to see me eat more amazing things, like maybe like a tarantula or something like that, let me know in the comments below and I will do it right away. I'll eat anything for you. Like, I will eat the most hottest noodles of the world. I'll eat the most hottest chocolate. I'll eat the hottest chocolate. Like, you tell me what you want and I will eat it.
No, I'm not doing that.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.